Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Statesman newspaper Sudoku. Was on March 3, 2022. 4 star Sudoku. Column D. We have 3, 5, 9. So the 3 number can't come these cells. It will come any one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 9th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th grade. We have 6, 7, 2. Just 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 9th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th row and 10th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Column E also we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I and column J we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column I, 9th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 9th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 9. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Seventh grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 10th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column E, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 1 and 9 will confirm later. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H and column J, we have pair numbers 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 2. And first grade, we have 3. So 2 and 3 can't come this cell. And column G, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column C and column D, we have 9. Second row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, and then 4 is confirmed here. Then only one number is remaining. Third grade 1 is confirmed here. Fifth row and seventh row we have 1. Column H also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Second row we have 3. And fifth grade we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. We can confirm 7 also here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7. Second row we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Second row, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 6, 8. First grade, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. First grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Third grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. Fourth row, only 1 number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Third row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Seventh row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Fifth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Sixth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Sixth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Third row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 8. Column J, column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Seventh row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Seventh row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column F, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Sixth row, two numbers are remain 2 and 5. Column F, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.